The carnivore diet, which primarily consists of animal products such as meat, fish, eggs, and certain dairy products, while excluding all plant-based foods, can pose several potential dangers and health risks. We're going to discuss those in today's video. So the first problem could be potential nutrient deficiencies. So a carnivore diet lacks many essential nutrients found in plant-based foods, such as fiber, vitamin C and E, folate, and various phytonutrients. Over time, this can lead to deficiencies in these nutrients, potentially increasing the risk of health problems such as constipation, scurvy, and impaired immune function. There is also an increased risk of heart disease. A diet high in animal products, particularly red and processed meats, has been associated with an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. These foods are often high in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can raise blood cholesterol levels and contribute to the development of atherosclerosis, which is the hardening and narrowing of the arteries. It can also have an impact on gut health. The lack of fiber and plant-based foods in the carnivore diet can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria and impair digestive health. Fiber is essential for promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and maintaining regular bowel movements. Without it, individuals may experience constipation, diarrhea, or other gastrointestinal issues. The fourth potential danger is the potential for nutritional toxicity. So consuming large quantities of certain animal products such as fatty cuts of meat or organ meats can lead to excessive intake of certain nutrients such as saturated fat, cholesterol, and certain vitamins and minerals. Overconsumption of these nutrients can increase the risk of health problems including obesity, high cholesterol, and vitamin toxicity. There are also some environmental concerns. So the production of animal products for consumption contributes to environmental issues such as deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and water pollution. A diet that relies heavily on animal products can have a higher environmental impact compared to plant-based diets, which may prioritize sustainability and conservation efforts. And lastly, there is a potential for long-term health risks. While short-term studies of the carnivore diet may show some benefits, such as weight loss or improved metabolic markers, the long-term health effects are less clear. Prolonged adherence to a restrictive diet that eliminates entire food groups may increase the risk of nutrient deficiencies, chronic diseases, and overall poor health outcomes over time. It's essential to approach any diet, including the carnivore diet, with caution and consideration of individual health needs and goals. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant dietary changes can help identify potential risks and develop a balanced and sustainable eating plan.